In this tutorial, I am going to explain you some more commands used to build the given geometry. For example, how to make the fillet, how to make the chamfers, how to rotate the given geometry, how to zoom in and zoom out the given geometry. Those commands I am going to tell you now. Now I'll go for start. Under start, let us create a part model here. Now these are the planes. See here, if I select this plane, this is being selected here. Similarly, if I select this, this is highlighting here. Similarly, ZX plane is highlighting here. Now you can take any one of the plane here and start building the sketch. Afterwards, you start building the 3D model from the given sketch. What I do, I'll go for the sketch mode. Then I'll create a rectangle here of some dimension. Now I have created the sketch, that is a rectangle, but this is not constrained here. See here, this is moving along x direction and this is moving along y direction. Without constraining the sketch, don't try to create the model. If you create the model without constraining the given sketch, what will happen? If I try to drag any one of the face or any one of the edge in the model, 3D model, it will try to extend. So first of all, the first and foremost important step involved in designing of any of the part is constrain the sketch first. Now constraining in, but you need to give the dimensions of this sketch. Now I'll go for giving the dimension for this line. Let us assume this is 200 mm for example, and next the height of this rectangle, let us assume 100 mm. Okay, so this has been turned into green, indicating that the sketch has been constrained. It is fully constrained. Now if I try to drag any one of the lines here, these are not moving because it is fully constrained. Now we can try to build the model from the this sketch. Now what I do, I'll exit from the workbench, then I'll go for the pad command. Let us assume the thickness of this pad is, let us assume 40 mm. Now this part is created out of this window. What I do, I'll use fit in command. Now this model is fitted inside this graphical window or user graphical window. Now how to create edge fillets here. Now I'll select this edge. Let us assume I'm going to select this edge. Now I want a fillet radius of 6 mm. Now you type 6 here. Now a fillet has been created here. Now if you want to create the fillet on this edge also, you can click on this edge, click on edge fillet. Okay, let us assume this edge is having a radius of this edge fillet. Let us assume this fillet radius has 6 mm. So two fillets have been created, one on this side, one on this side. So this is a use of edge fillet. Next one is chamfer. How to create the chamfers here? You select this edge. Let us assume the chamfer, let us assume 2 mm. See here, this is the use of chamfer command. Okay, so now you will learn two more commands. One is how to create a fillets and how to create a chamfers on the given model. Now how to rotate this model? There are two methods. One is using the word this command here, rotate command. You can able to rotate this geometry by using the left mouse button. Okay, you click on this and hold the left mouse button and you can rotate the geometry. Another method is hold the middle mouse button, next press right mouse button, you can able to rotate this. Okay, what is the condition here? You press the middle mouse button, next press the right mouse button, you can rotate this. Or another way is hold the control button in your keypad, then press middle mouse button. Sorry, it's not possible. Wait for a minute. Hold control button. No, this is only one method, I think. Okay, so this is rotate by using this command. Next one is press middle mouse button and hold right mouse button and you can rotate the geometry. Next, one more method is one more command is zoom in. This is zoom out. Okay, so you can able to increase the size of this by using this command, and you can, if you want to reduce the size of this, you can use this command, that is zoom out command. Now how to do this by using the mouse? Now press the middle mouse button and hold control. First of all you hold the control button and middle mouse button, you can drag in and drag out this. Okay, this is the use of zoom in and zoom out. Okay, what is the first method? Using these two you can zoom in and zoom out. Another is press control button and middle mouse button. See here, once again I'll tell you, hold control key on your keypad, then press middle mouse button. See here, the cursor is changing here, so this indicates that you can zoom in and you can zoom out. Next one is pan is, but if you want to place anywhere here, okay, you can use this command. Okay, this is the use of zoom in and zoom out, rotate command, pan command, and fit command, and how to create the fillets and the chamfers in the given model. This is enough today. In the next tutorial I will try to explore some other commands.